Hi everyone, welcome to shsir classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle of radius 6.3 centimeter or diameter 12.6 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here the radius 6.3 centimeter. So this is starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this is 6.3 centimeter, and we know that radius of the circle is equal to half of diameter of the circle. So this is 6.3 centimeter. Now taking here a point. Okay, now taking the length 6.3 centimeter by using compass by this way and putting the compass on the point. Now drawing a arc by this way, and which represent a circle with radius 6.3 centimeter. Now joining this one, and this is the radius of this circle. So this is starting center O and here A point. So this is 6.3 centimeter. So therefore radius OA equal to 6.3 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then share it.